Osisi bee ya atọ ụtụtụ ọma ehihie ọma mgbede ọma ụmụ Biafra ndị ọma njem ọnụ asị m ka onye chiri ya zelu aka m bụkwa Maazị Okpeleze Chukwubuikem Agụ Biafra nke mbụ na mbụ na Biafra. I thank each and every one of you and I welcome you to listening to this program. It's going to be a short one. I'm not going to take any call. Get your credit ready, get your phone charged, and get ready for this evening onslaught. By 5 p.m. time, that is when I'll come out to give you people a tip of iceberg, just a tip of iceberg about Uchemefo. I know that so many of you might have listened to so many videos from different angles, but you have not heard from President. And if you want to have it, if you want to catch it live, please do like my page, Aside Hot Biafra TV. If you have not liked the page, go and like it right now, because that is the channel where I'm going to bring it to you, and I will also streamcast it in other platforms. But Aside Hot Biafra TV and Aside Hot Biafra TV on Facebook and on YouTube, endeavor to subscribe to that YouTube channel, because there are people who are watching through YouTube, there are people who are watching through Facebook. So I want it to be wider, because it is time for us to talk. And this morning, Aside Hot, now so I won't bring and give you. The meaning of Aside Hot is truth, because truth is hot. Truth is very, very painful. Some people cannot concede the word truth. What they like is lies and lies. When you are lying to people, they will like you, they will enjoy you, they will give you everything you want because you are lying to them. But immediately you start saying the truth, their body will be very hot. That is why I choose that word as the hot for this platform and for this program. So as the heart is where you're going to reach me live and direct, because very soon I'm going to use that as the heart to broadcast to each and every one of you live and direct. I say good morning to each and every one of you. Nwada Asadem Mawusu, you are the first person that commented on this platform, and I am welcoming you to the program. And I see my sister Uchioma, you are welcome. Mazi David Chedi, you are welcome. Mazi Albright Man, you are welcome. Elder Dambest, you are welcome. All of you that are watching, welcome to the program. Christian Abba, you are here also. Uzo Chukwu Eblono, you are also watching. Christian, you are watching. Priska Ami Okehi, you are also here. Ada Biafra Dambano. Chika MC, my birthday mate, you are also here. Christian Peters, you are watching. A lot of you, I am not mentioning the name of everyone that you watch me live this morning. The program is going to be a short one. I will try as much as I can to limit the time I'm going to spend to address this issue. It's my response to all the people that have been calling me, telling me, hey, President Linton, please stop talking about Uche Mefo. We are making him popular. We are giving him relevance. Our enemies are laughing at us. Many things. I remember when I was growing up as a boy. Those days, back in the school days, some of my friends, when they want to do something, when they come to you and tell you the truth, that this is what they want to do, when you advise them correctly, they will not listen to you. But once you begin to tell them another part they want to hear, they will be clapping for you. They will go and do it. And at the end of the day, Kasala works. And at the same time, you know, the nature of some of us is like a nature of a woman. I am not trying to bring the prestige of women down. I respect them so much. I love them so much. But when you are telling a woman truth, I'm talking about 90% of women in this world. All you fellow women that are watching this program will bear me witness. When you are telling a woman 90% truth, 90% of women, when you are telling them truth about things the way it is, as they hurt, they will not like you. My fellow men can bear me witness. My fellow men can bear me witness. And you women can also bear me witness that when you are telling a woman truth the way it is, she will not like you. It's only 10% out of 100% women that will like you for telling them truth. Because the truth is very hard. And because of the nature of a woman, they don't have this spirit, this resilient spirit, maybe to fight that truth, knowing that you are being sincere. But because of the hotness of the truth, they will not like it. You see, some of them, they will end up doing something stupid because you tell them the truth. But when if you want to get a heart of a woman, 90% of them, not all of them, yes, when they begin to lie, whatever you're telling them, they will be believing you, they will be liking you, they will be loving you. But any day that same woman find out that you've been lying to her all this while, she will hate you like never before. That is it. So there are some men that are living, that are having that feelings, that belief of women, 90% of women that like lies. So as in the heart means truth is painful, and I must be saying it at all time. And this morning, I want to address all the people that have been calling me, begging me, pleading to me, I should turn down, I should stop, I should do this, I should do that. I have my reason why I choose to respond to them now. Prior my broadcast of this evening by 5 o'clock. That 5 o'clock, I'm going to answer your call, because I'm going to reveal something that will shock each and every one of you to the bone marrow. Different bone marrow, different from what you have heard. Different from what you have heard about Uche Mefo. Uche Mefo have this full load cans of worms that have not been opened to the world. Full load. And that, when it is time this evening, I am going to open maybe one out of those cans of worms. Then I will be expecting him to respond to me, or to reply, or to sue me to court anywhere he wants. If it is where I can appear, I will appear. But the court where I will take Uche Mefo to is Alose Shrine. When I release this truth I want to say about Uche Mefo, and what Uche Mefo have committed, what he have done in this struggle, that will shock each of them. Some of you will cry. I will challenge Uche Mefo to sue me to anywhere, but I will sue him. Once he sue me to any court, then I will sue him to I will church. I didn't mean church. I believe in our tradition as they walk in the show. As you they walk, now so they show. I don't believe we swear with Bible. God is a merciful God. You swear today, tomorrow you say, God, please forgive me. I swear out of annoyance or out of whatever. Then please forgive me. God will forgive you. But I will say, I don't forgive anybody. So it is this evening. Therefore, before I go on, once again, I welcome all of you that are watching. Share this program. I know Mefo himself is watching one of his pseudo accounts. Yes, Mefo, you are watching. You have drawn the battle line, not between you and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but between you and Biafrans. And I am here to speak for Biafrans, to tell them who you are, to tell them who you really are, so that those people who are taking side, those people who are supporting you, those people that have been sacked from IPOB, those people that have committed one crime or the other that you are shedding, that are now coming out to say, hey, we are supporting Uche Mefo, we are with Uche Mefo, they must know who you are today. This evening, as in the house, that is where I'm going to open just one can of worm that you, Uche Mefo, have closed for a very long time. And I will use this opportunity to thank Mazi Nnamdi Kanu so far for enduring all the pains that have been meted on him by Uche Mefo, without him coming up on the radio to say anything or to speak against Uche Mefo, because there is no family that doesn't have quarrels. Every family under this planet has quarrel. Yes, every family on this planet, they do quarrel. Papa and mama, they quarrel. Pastor and the wife, they quarrel. Bishop and family, they quarrel. Even inside the church of God, there's quarrel. Inside the church of God, Oyakhilome and his wife, they quarreled and they divorced. Chris Okotie and the wife, they quarreled and they divorced. If there is no agreement between you and your spouse in a marriage, there is opportunity. I mean, there is a very big playground for you people to disagree. But if you people agree to settle and come back together once again, then kudos to you. But if you people are not compatible in any way, it is right and you depart for the sake of peace to reign. Then you people will still acknowledge each other as maybe once husband and wife, just as Mefo have declared himself as deputy, because he said that he is now not going to address us again as the deputy of indigenous people of Biafra. So he already resigned since June, July. Over 6-7 months ago is when Uche Mefo resigned. He tendered his resignation letter, but he just came out a few days to speak up, saying that he had been sidelined. And I will open one of his can of worm this evening by 5 o'clock. It will shock you guys. And when I will say it, before I will say it, I will swear in the name of Chukwuka Kabiama. And I will challenge Uche Mefo. If I am lying, he have papers, I am going to sue him. I will take Uche Mefo to the court of our ancestors. The court he may take me to may be the court of the white men, where who have money or who have contact can win. But the court where I'm going to take him is going to be the court of our ancestors. The gods of our land is going to take charge of the case by the time I release this bomb this evening against Uche Mefo. Yes, I am saying it. You guys may be wondering, why is this guy talking like this? I am talking like this because I am the pain. Uche Mefo have hurt me so much. Uche Mefo have hurt me so much. I am going to tell you people something that when you hear about Uche Mefo, you close your ear. So those of you that are supporting him, that have been calling me, I've been receiving calls through WhatsApp, through Facebook, everywhere. Prince Darlington, please, our enemies are watching. Our enemies, please, calm down, calm down. I want you to share this video. Share it. Share it as it is hot. Before Ndaro and Anderson how you go, Abiogo. Share it. I want you to share it because I want it to go viral. I want the whole world to get this. Prior, the main bomb that I will release. Now, please excuse me 1 second. 1 second, please. Excuse me 1 second. Yes, I am back, my great people of Biafra. Yes, I am back once again. And like I was saying, before I went out to fix 1 or 2 things, those of you that have been calling me, I want to make this video in preparation of your mind because you are going to call this evening. I want to prepare your mind. I want you to get ready with your facts and figures. I want you to get ready with your gossip. I want you to get ready with all the arsenal that you have. This evening, 5 o'clock, Biafra time. As they hot Biafra TV, both on YouTube and on our Facebook page. You go share it there. And I am going to make sure that I simulcast it in about 12 platforms so that it will go more wider and viral for the world to know who Uche Mefo is. I wanted to give the whole package. I wanted to release the whole package once, but no. Our people, because of their way of reasoning, because of their level of understanding, some of our people, not all our people, I'm going to give it to you batch by batch. So today is part 1. This evening is going to be part 1. Uche Mefo, I am ready for you 150%, and the millions of Biafrans are also ready for you. Yes. He who fetched the ant-infected firewood have invited lizard to visit him or her. Therefore, you have invited a lot of lizard, and they are coming to you. And after this night, anybody that will call me again to say, Prince Darlington, please turn down. Prince Darlington, please stop talking about Uche Mefo. Prince Darlington, thunder. Thunder. I saw, even if you are my mother or my father, I don't care. The thunder that will fire you will be signed by Amadioha, sealed by Kamanu Ozuzu. These are the 2 gods that I will invoke that will bring the thunder that will fire you. Allow me to do my thing. Do your own thing. Go on your own Facebook. Speak against me. Say anything you want to say. Discuss whatever you want to discuss. It is your right. It is your timeline. I will not call you to tell you why you're talking about me. But when you're talking about me, make sure you hold truth and fact. Because if you then I will take you to where you come and respond to me. I believe I'm not swearing with the Bible. I believe in God. My name is Chukwubikem. God is my strength. That is my name. But when I want to seek for instant justice, I go for the gods of the land. Because God that created everything is a merciful God. He may forgive you. But the gods of the land will not forgive you. Because the blood of innocent Biafrans is at stake. Therefore, my brothers and my sisters, the advice and my response to all of you that have been calling is this. Number 1, don't forget that there's room for misunderstanding and the agreement. There's room in every organization, in every family, in whatever you are doing on this planet. You go fight. Even animals. Sometimes you see chicken, 2 okuko, they'll be fighting because there's a disagreement. Sometimes you see goats, they will be fighting because they disagreed. Sometimes you see lion, you see lizard, you see. Let me tell you, it is nature. It is natural phenomenon. It is natural phenomenon that anything that is created on this earth that breathes, that lives as a human being or animal, must disagree with each other at a point in time. But you'll be surprised that that hen and that cock that is fighting, maybe in the 30 minutes you see them making love. You'll be surprised that goat that was hitting their head, bim, 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 I disagree, this one says I disagree. Maybe in the next one now, you see them meeting each other. That is because it is the nature of this, it is the nature of creation that we must disagree at point in time and agree at the same time sometimes. So if the issue between Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and Uche Mefo is giving you restless, I want to tell you today that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not spoken to us. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have not told us that he is having issue with Uche Mefo in the open. He have not made it known to everyone or to anyone. But Uche Mefo have drawn the battle line between him and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. And Uche Mefo have also created, you know, for Uche Mefo to have first created his radio station and coming out to say that he has created this radio because he doesn't have access to Radio Biafra, to IPOB, IPOB community, is to tell you that whatever he have done now have been planned for a very long time. Whatever which you people see Uche Mefo doing now have been a very long time plan. You cannot just wake up and bring a house down. No, it's not done. A house that you follow build, a house that you follow lay the foundation, a house that you struggle to make it to stand. You cannot just wake up one morning and just bring that house down, bring bulldozer, boom, the house will fall. No. You must have planned it for a very long time, thinking if I bring this house down, which house am I going to sleep? Where else am I going to stay? Where am I taking my properties to? You will first do what? Make preparation. You have to make preparation for another place that you have shelter, which is what Uche Mefo have done. Listen, I want to speak sense into all of you that were calling me, begging me to stop. Before you call me to stop, I say again that after today, if anybody that call me to beg me to stop, the thunder that will strike you, Amadioha will sign it, Kaman Osusu will seal it. The signature of Amadioha will be on that thunder. Then the Kaman Osusu, God of thunder and lightning itself, will now seal it. Like I was saying, maybe you have not known the reason why I'm doing this video. The topic is my response, my own response. Mazi Obele became response to those that are begging me, calling me to stop talking about Uche Mefo. Share this program, share it on WhatsApp, share it on WhatsApp, share it on Messenger, share it anywhere on Facebook or YouTube, anywhere at all. Share it, because I have come with the truth as it is hot. I have come to the truth as it is hot. Therefore, Uche Mefo, those people, I don't know if you are the one sending them to come and tell me to stop talking about you. I don't know. I cannot accuse you of that. But those who doesn't know you are clapping hand for you and saying that you are fighting with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. As long as I'm concerned, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu about to come tell the world that he is fighting with you. Whatever issue that you have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu internally, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must have handled it inside, diplomatically, as a wise and intelligent leader that he is. He did not come out. He did not come out, begin to say, Uche Mefo do this, Uche Mefo do that, in the open. Rather, he have been tackling whatever that is issue or problem that you think you people have inside. And that is a one quality that all Biafra should even mark Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as a good leader. It's another quality that I've discovered about him. People are waiting, saying, oh, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, come and talk. So all of you that are calling me, asking me to wait, to stop talking about him, I must tell you people one thing. If Uche Mefo did not plan what he just did now for so many times, for so many years, why did Uche Mefo first open his radio station before he come and talk about the issue between him and Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Because he have built another house, and to build this house is not a day. Biafrans, I don't know if I'm communicating with you. Please, if you are hearing what I'm saying and I'm communicating with you and you are with me listening, you must not agree, but so far you are hearing what I'm saying. I want you to indicate by typing on the comment section, long live Biafra, because Biafra must live long. We shall all live to see Biafra, please. So for Uche Mefo to have pulled down this house, he didn't pull it down. For him to have attempted to pull down this house, he first went and built another house under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, still receiving his salaries. So before you come in to advise me, you listen to this video. That is why I want you people to share it everywhere, so that those who are calling, those who are still thinking of Mazi Uche Mefo being cheated, being treated bad, being sidelined, should know that before he come up and speak, calling Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a lie, saying all manner of nonsense against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and saying that he is now not going to address us again as the deputy of indigenous people of Biafra, then why did he first to create that radio station? That radio station, what is important about it? Don't we have a radio station? Don't you guys think that if Mazi Uche Mefo was right, he should have come out and make a video and say, Biafrans, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have refused me access to broadcast on Radio Biafra. Please, what is my offense? Because he lacked the quality of a true leader. Because he is Uche Mefo is a wicked man. I am going to use that word on him. And if you ask me why do I say that he's a wicked man, I will tell you. The reason why I call him a wicked man, because what I tell you, I back it up, was when our men that returned, our volunteers that returned from Senegal, they came back 2014. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was taking care of them, feeding them. Not until 2015, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu had issue, was he got arrested. There is no way they can get funding again. There's no way they can eat again. Please, in the absence of a leader, who is next to talk to? Is it not the deputy leader? They called me, said, Prince, we are in trouble. Since our leader was arrested, Bright Chimezie was arrested, Mazi Benjamin was arrested, Chidebere Onwudiwe was arrested, Nwabisi was arrested. What can we do? I said, go to him. As a matter of fact, I am going to bring the guy that contacted Uche Mefo to give them money to eat. When I say he's wicked, I tell you how he's wicked. Because I learned one thing from he contacted Mazi Uche Mefo. Mazi, Onyisi, we are hungry. Since our leader have been arrested, there's no food. We don't eat anymore. Please, do something. He said, I don't know you people. I don't even know the business you have with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. This is the man that you are deputizing. So when I call him a wicked man, I tell you why I say he's a wicked. And if you can judge, all of you that are supporting him, if you can judge with sincerity down there in your heart, you will know that he is wicked. All this while he was collecting 4,000 pounds. The money that he was supposed to give to this guy is not from the 4,000 pounds that was paid, that was due for him as his salary. No. If Uche Mefo had called Sister Nyanya and said, these boys that came back from Senegal that have been on the ground working with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu all this while, since Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have been arrested, they are disturbing me. They say they eat food. I know Nyanya very well. She's an intelligent woman, very smart. Nyanya will say, okay, let us send them money. Now they will deliberate. Is it 1,000 that we're going to give them, or 2,000, or 500, or 1 naira? Meet these guys. This guy went in hunger for so many months. They went under hunger, starvation. These are the men that went to look for money abroad. Our leader, they heard the voice of our leader for the liberation of our nation. They came back. They left everything they are doing. So IPOB is supposed to be giving them at least chop money. I didn't say IPOB should buy them aeroplane. At least chop money. Uche Mefo was the deputy. So for Uche Mefo to have said that he doesn't know them, that he don't know the business they are having with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that is to tell you that Uche Mefo is wicked. He was not qualified for the position he have held in IPOB for so many years. Now, going back to the main topic, Uche Mefo, all these irats that you are gathering should ask you, why did you open the radio before you came to tell the world about not being given access? Because you know that you thought that you're going to pull down the house that you have built with Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Once you pull it down and you now switch to your own side, then people will now, you want to use character assassination, then people will now be to follow you on your radio. Which anybody that follows you on that radio, the blood of all innocent Biafrans that died in this struggle, their spirit will come after each and every one of you. Anybody who supports you on that radio. Because now, I want the whole world to know that Uche Mefo is a contractor. Uche Mefo is a contractor. Ask me how. A contractor is somebody who is under contract. When he works, you pay him. He doesn't care about our people. So, for him to be on salary, IPOB is paying him. Please, can somebody can somebody calculate 4,000 pounds? It is actually 4,300 pounds. That 300 pounds maybe is for miscellaneous expenses. I don't want to add it. Can someone calculate 4,000 pounds? Break it down into the today exchange and tell me how much it is in a month. I want somebody to do it and put it on this chat box, please. I don't know how much pound sterling is on exchange today, but I want someone to calculate 4,000 pounds how much it is and put it here for me, please, so that we see how much that Uche Mefo have been making. This is like a legit one that Uche Mefo have been making, and he couldn't give those who are on the ground suffering, facing bullet, dying. He couldn't give them food to chop. He couldn't do that. That is wickedness. Now, in furtherance to respond to all of you that were calling me, if indeed you are a true Biafran and you like freedom, ask yourself another question that I want to bring to you now. Ask yourself, why haven't Mazi Nnamdi Kanu come out to talk about Uche Mefo's behavior or misbehaving in the IPOB? Why? Because he wanted peace to reign. Because he gave Uche Mefo a long space to amend, to correct some of his errors. And they were talking about it inside, whatever that it is. For Uche Mefo to come out, to think he's going to talk, cajole Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, blackmail him, and make people to hate him, that is a very big bomb that he threw on himself. Yes, somebody said that it is 504,984. That is 1,000 pounds. Is that no? I want that 4,000 pounds. Give me how much it worth in naira, please. Then I will break it down for you and tell you something that you need to know. Please calculate it well and tell me the amount that Uche Mefo is receiving every month. Break it down. Then I will tell you. How much some family members that are doing menial jobs on the ground. Some are bicycle repairers. I will tell you how much they are contributing. Some are bicycle repairers. Some are shoemakers. Some are Okada riders. Some are Keke Napepe riders. Some are men. Hanebu block, Ebu cement. The people that are contributing this money that is being paid to this idiot, which before you are an idiot. 2,040,000. Thank you, Obuefi Omonna Izuako. Thank you very much. Let's call it 2 million. Let's forget about 40,000 on top. Uchemefo, you are receiving 2 million. 2 million naira every month. Please, can you people times 2 million into 12? The person, please, Obuefi, I want you to do 2 million times 12. Tell us how much it is that Uchemefo is receiving every year. From sleeping on radio station. Just that he answered the name deputy of IPOB. And I want all of you, everybody that is watching this program, I want all of you to share it. Please. Share this program. Because I want those that are following him to begin to reason. Because sometimes when you don't talk hard on our people, they will not reason at all. Uchemefo, you once threatened a Galan Biafran in the United Kingdom. You once threatened a Galan Biafran in the United Kingdom that any day that you are provoked, that you will spoil the struggle. You once said it. You know who you told that word. That any day that you are provoked, that you are going to spoil the struggle, you are going to bring the struggle to ground zero. And I am telling you that nobody cannot do it. You cannot do it. They don't born you well. They don't born you well. Your mama never even get you pregnant to born you to spoil the struggle. Please, how much is it? How much is it? You say 20 million. Are you sure? Please, I want the accurate calculation. Which before 4,000 pounds that you are being paid every month amount to 2 million naira. And 2 million naira times 12. Please, somebody should give me the accurate answer now. It's not supposed to be 20 million. It's supposed to be more than that. Because 2 million times 10 is 20 million. What about the 2 that is on top? You are talking about 24. You are talking about 24 million naira. Hello, followers of the. Hello, stupid idiot that are calling me, begging me to stop talking about him. Have you seen how much this man is making? I have not gone into talking about the money that IPOB has spent in for your school fees, training you in United Kingdom. I have not come to talk about the paper, the passport that you have got under IPOB. A man who received this kind of amount of money, 24 million. Please, can somebody just put a small article with this 24 million? This is the amount which Uchemefo is receiving every year from IPOB. Take it. I am the one who is giving you the instruction to do that. Put a small article. Post it on Facebook and share it. Let the whole world see it. I told you before, we are going to watch this our dating links outside. Because when you say 4 million, people doesn't know how much it costs in Biafra land. When some people are dying of hunger and starvation. I know of a family in Biafra land. The husband is a Keke Napepe rider. I will not mention his name. This man is paying, he makes sure he's paying his 500 naira every day, every month as his contribution. Every month, this man is a Keke Napepe. He has about 4 children. He's feeding his family with that. But he makes sure that that 500 that he's paying, he paid it every time. Some family member of IPOB are not contributing up to, in a month, in their own zone in Biafra land, they are not contributing up to, let's say, 100,000 in a month. Yes, some of them, they are not. But this man is earning 24 million every year. Is Martin Nandekano being paid? Hello, Uchemefo followers. Does Martin Nandekano receive salary? He said, I don't care. about worldly things. I don't care about cars. I don't care about building houses. I don't care about material things. My main focus is for Biafrans to be free, for us to live in the land of our ancestors as free people. This is a leader. This is a leader. Don't forget, I'm not saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is perfect. He has his own shortcoming, which may be the way he speaks to us. From my own understanding, the way he talked to us, he's aggressive. When we provoke him, he insults you. Yes, that is the shortcomings I have seen in him. But in time of, galvanizing, putting things in place, making headways, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is there. I want to tell you, Biafrans, today, that the Sienna you see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu driving was given to him by a Biafran. What do you call it? Any car you see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu using was given to him as a gift by a Biafran. He did not spend Biafran money. This one, the party of this Biafrans, you guys should buy me phone because I'm working for you, I'm serving you. No be beg at the beg. Somebody called me on my program last time and said he's going to buy me phone. Up till now, I haven't heard from the person. This phone is frozen. It's a small phone that I'm using. I have an iPad, but it's not working. Look at it. I have an iPad bought for me by a Biafran, but it's not working. If I log in my Facebook here now, under 1 second they cut it off. I don't know if they have marked the iPad whatever IP. So as I was saying, everything you see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the clothes he wear, the shoe he wear, the wristwatch he wear, everything is bought for him by Biafrans. But Uche Mefo is receiving 24 million naira every year. 24 million naira every year. He was trained in the school by IPOB. He got his passport through IPOB. I hope you people are listening to me. Now, all these people who are begging me not to talk about him, if Uche Mefo is having all these benefits, all these genetic benefits in IPOB, and at the same time coming out to call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a liar. After listening to this program, I would like you to use your common sense. Use your common sense to tell yourself the truth. If Uche Mefo is worthy to be earning 24 million naira every year, how much is IPOB making? How much are we gathering? How much? There are people in hospital. There are people that are dying of hunger. There are people that are on the ground. I told you, by the time I enter, you begin to analyze, you begin to tell people more things about you. You will be nowhere to be found. So all of you that are telling me, stop, don't say it. I say, may thunder that will fire you by Amadioha and sealed by Kamano Ozoso. I'm repeating it. If you don't like what I'm saying about Uche Mefo, get out. Get fuck out of this place. Because Biafra doesn't need people like you. Biafra need people, men and women of honor. Biafra need people of truth and honesty. And I am one of them in the struggle. I am one of them in the struggle because I have my record straight. All of us are here respecting Uchemefo all this while because of Nnamdi, not because of Uchemefo is doing anything. Can somebody, all this is followers that tell me not to talk, tell us the job that Uchemefo is doing for IPOB to be earning 24 million every year. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison. He put his life, he placed his life in danger. His life was at risk, and Uchemefo was receiving money for 2 years. I want somebody to times that money times 2 years that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison. That 2 years. Somebody should times that money, that 24 million times 2, for us to see how much Uchemefo made. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison, risking his life. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lost his father, lost his mother, lost his sister, his cousin sister. Then Uchemefo, let us see how much Uchemefo made. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is losing everything. Please. Because he said Nnamdi Kanu is a liar. And I have come to tell the world the truth behind you, Uchemefo. Please, I beg you, somebody should calculate that money. Place it here. I want it to be on record. It is time to open those can of worms of Uchemefo. 48 million Uchemefo, you earned 48 million naira under the 2 years that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison. I just want to use only those 2 years to build a preamble for the topic in response to all of you that are telling to stop talking. Onye ọbụla si mekuzina maka Uchemefo, Chineke ga-akpọ gị ọkụ. Ani udeneke eliozu gị. Kapụta ya nkwube maka Uchemefo. I did not just come out and start talking about Uchemefo. I did not. Uchemefo brought himself out, started assaulting Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, biting the finger that fed him. And I have to say it. Uchemefo, please, I said before that somebody should put it here. I want somebody to put a very good cashing article. Please, a cashing one. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, the topic, why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison. Uchemefo made 48 million. Or Uchemefo was paid 48 million. Doing what? Doing what? 48M is the money that Uchemefo made when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison. Nobody is paying Mazi Nnamdi Kanu any shishi. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is not utilizing, is not tampering with IPOB money. Instead, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is putting his money, his blood, his father's, and that of his mother and his family members. If you want to know more about what Uchemefo did, I've told you, as in the hot, as in the hot Biafra TV page, you like it. As in the hot Biafra TV YouTube, subscribe to it, because I'm coming this night to tell you exactly what one of the things that he did. So all of you that are saying I should stop this video, thunder fire you all. Uchemefo is making 48 million in only 2 years. The Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison for coming to sleep on Radio Biafra, snoring when he's talking to people. Why Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison, suffering for all of us to have freedom. Then Uchemefo get the knives to come out here and telling us nonsense, castigating Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The truth is that my advice to you people that are calling me is that you stop calling me, you stop posting anything on my wall, you stop commenting on my wall. I don't want your advice. I don't want your advice. Any course you are sending here is going to Uchemefo. Any course you are sending here is going to Uchemefo, because Uchemefo first brought out himself outside. So, and the Mazi Nnamdi Kanu I know, the Odogwu I know, will never ever respond to Uchemefo. I will expose Uchemefo to the last letter. I will keep exposing him to the last letter. All of you that are talking rubbish, go to Uche Mefo page and read what he's writing. All of you, have you heard from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Have Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said anything? No. But Uche Mefo is out there singing like canary. When you want to talk, he said they. When you want to talk, he said they. He doesn't have the nerves to mention his name, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu name. But we know he's referring to him. He doesn't have the nerves. I want you to open your mouth and mention Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in all this rubbish you are writing on Facebook. But this night, I am going to analyze you the more and expose you, and you are evil. I thank God you say you are no longer the deputy. Was it Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that said so? It wasn't Mazi Nnamdi Kanu that said so. Instead, you did. You are the one who said so. So you said people are blackmailing you. What are the blackmails that you are talking about? Did you or did you not refuse to give our volunteers money to feed when our leader was in the prison? What is blackmail about that? Uche Mefo, while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was in the prison and Irania and co wanted to push you out, did we stand with you or not? Did Mazi Nnamdi Kanu stood with you or not? He did. But here you are writing nonsense on Facebook saying that you are being blackmailed. All the evil that you have committed in this struggle is well packed. I'm opening them one after the other. Because if I bring them once, I've already seen those who are talking rubbish. But I know that back there in the mind, they know that what this guy is saying is true. Uche Mefo, Chineke ga-akpọ ọkụ for saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a liar. Uche Mefo, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, that you are calling a liar. You can never be like him in 10 million years to come. Already you build your own house where you want to back to. Then you feel like you can pull this one down. You cannot. Because the foundation of this struggle was made by Chukwu Okike Abiama on a solid rock. Nampume ka Chineke nna mere foundation njema ya no n'ime. So anything you are trying to say or whatever you are trying to do will not hold any stand. Anything you are saying now will not. I thank God for Biafrans that reason. Those that have sense of reasoning, they know who you are, but they don't know you too well. But now most of them are going to know you. Before, I will keep repeating it again, that while Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was suffering, putting his life on the table, his family, you have never lost any chicken in this struggle. You earned in 2 years 48 million naira from people like me, because I myself, I do contribute. I have my receipt. My coordinator in Senegal will bear me witness that I was paying my monthly dues when I was in Senegal. I was paying my monthly dues. I paid for the transmitter. I paid for the defense fund. I have my receipt of every money I contributed in this struggle. But you, Uche Mefo, you cannot show me one receipt of whatever money that you paid in contribution. So all of these people who are telling me, stop that, close this video, come and close the video for me. Come and shut the video down for me. Only Facebook that give me access to speak to my people is the only person that can shut me down. Apart from that, your word cannot even, it doesn't even go anywhere. So before you begin to attack President Chukwu Okike, go and read the handwriting of Uche Mefo on the wall. What he has benefited, how much he has been paid, how he built his own radio station with the money we paid him. He's a job man. Uche Mefo was a job man. He was a contractor. That is why we are paying him. Because he made the request that he should be paid. Uche Mefo made the request that he should be paid. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, wherever one from here, the house you see in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's compound happened to be his father's house. Hello? The house that that he was staying before they came and attacked that compound was his own father's house. Late E.O. Kanu. That was his first house. It will get a time that I will begin to expose you for and what he have done with all the money that he have made from IPOB. You people will open your eye. All of you that are doing it, you open your eye. You will say, "Oh, is this where our money was going for coming to sleep on Biafra?" They have the nerves to come out now and begin to castigate Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Including all the people that are supporting you, all those your supporters, those people that never like Mazi Nnamdi Kanu are now following you. Those are the only people you can get. I know all of them from A to Z. We are going to join their clique. You are in the league of those gossipers, but you cannot go far. You cannot go far. Biafra's Uchemefo is making 48 million. Is in a year. Is making 24 million in a year. But when our leader was in the prison suffering, he made 48 million. And all these two people died in Mpo, people died in Aba, people died in Enugu, people died in Asaba, people died in Headbridge, people died in Bayelsa, people died in Iguacha. The blood of Biafrans are being spilled in the land of Biafra in the struggle. While you are there enjoying, benefiting, and somebody says I should not talk. Chineke kapunu ni no kukun ni nera bonde sino kusino kumakuche me for Chineke kapunu ni no. Unu ni ne konora. Look at Chidozie, Afumwelotana, striker, Biafra striker. See his leg. It is a bullet. A poisonous bullet that was shot at him. That guy's leg is condemned already. He is still suffering on it today. So many people have died. People like Jamaica, people like Moshe, people like Chinedu, people like Haiti. Oh my goodness me! I'm being more provoked now. I remember those that have been dying, that have been on the ground walking, putting their life in front, taking the bullet of our enemies. And before you're making money, and it's not enough for you. You now want to take over IPOB leadership by trying to know all the things, some things that you're not supposed to know. And when you think you are not getting those information, you come out to begin to say nonsense. As you're watching this video, come on, Gababugi, Gababugi. Yes, because we have lost men. If not because of the mercy of God, I would have been dead also. How will these men that died because of this struggle be feeling in their grave now? This is my response to you people that ask me. Ask yourself, have you lost anybody in this struggle? You that are asking me not to talk. Have you lost anybody? Have you lost a brother, a sister, a father, a mother, or a friend in this struggle? Have you? If you have not, then shut up. That is the first. Secondly, some of those of you that are calling me, telling me to stop talking, I should not talk about which I should not, let there be peace. Have you ever marched on the ground of Biafra in protest? Not in abroad, not in America, not in Spain, not in Germany, not in Italy, not in foreign country. I'm talking in Biafra land. Because I am the man that have marched against the bullet of the enemy. So I have every right, every authority to speak the way I'm speaking. Because I could have been dead by now. And if I had died, and I see what Uchemefo is doing today, how would I be happy in the grave? Will I be happy in the grave? Those that have died, how will they be feeling now that Uchemefo want to put problem in IPOB by doing what he's doing? Go to his Facebook and see all the nonsense he's writing. Everyone is directing to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, but he's very afraid not to mention his name because that name is sacred. For your information, Nnamdi Kanu, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's name is sacred. It's a name that goes with thunder and lightning. Kamano Ozuzu. So Uchemefo is afraid to call him by name when he's writing. But we all know that he's directed. When you want to say they. You want to say they. Who are they? Kedunde Bude. I marched in the street of Senegal so many times. I served IPOB in Senegal. I came down on the ground. I'm still serving IPOB up to this moment. I am not afraid to say it. I'm proud to say it. If you want to know this person that is talking, who is this person that is talking? Actually, I would just want you to go to your YouTube, type in Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Iguacha, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Ebonyi, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Omoba, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Owerri. If you check all these videos, you didn't see me right close to him, very close, next to him, then you know that the person talking now is a liar. Very, very close to him. If there was supposed to be bomb because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was on the ground, I would die. If there was supposed to be anything, it will affect me. So I have taken the biggest risk that all of you that are only talking on Facebook can never even venture to take on your life. And I am not the only one. We are many that have taken this risk. Which before is receiving 24 million naira. I didn't say 2.4 million, 24 million naira every year from IPOB. And that is the same money he used to set up his own radio station now. And the IPOB trained him as a lawyer. Now, he have graduated. He have come out now to use that, which IPOB have trained him to fight Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB. Have you guys how the world is? Have you now guys see how the world is? The man that gave you the opportunity to step up in life is the man that you want to use that same opportunity to cajole and insult, calling him a liar. I repeat, if Uche Mefo did not call Mazi Nnamdi Kanu a liar, if Uche Mefo came out and said, I am resigning from being IPOB deputy for so reason, I won't do any video. I will just keep quiet. I will be watching, waiting to see how it's going to play out. But for the fact that he finished his nonsense video, Zoom call, and said that Nnamdi Kanu is a liar, that the same mouth he used to lie is the same mouth he used to pray. Do you know what it means? Is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu lying by paying you 4,000 euro, 4,000 pounds every month, which amounts to 500,000 and 500 something thousand naira every month? That is the question I want to ask. Doesn't Kanu lie by giving you opportunity to get international passport, diplomatic passport, United Nations passport that have permitted you to travel around the world? How is he lying? Which before you are the only one that have the administrative password to Radio Biafra London. Why is Radio Biafra London app not talking the day Mazi Nnamdi Kanu was broadcasting live on other platform? Why? And you came saying that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is lying. Why you are the person lying? I don't want to tell why they are calling Ibosube now. It is this evening by 5 o'clock. So my brothers and my sisters, those that are watching, share this video. Like the page. I see the hot Biafra TV. I see the hot Biafra TV on YouTube and on Facebook. I have my reason why I'm directing you there. Because Facebook can be funny, and that is where I can spread more, of this information. Every month, that is 24 million naira a year. That is what Uche Mefo is taking from IPOB. So if we have to go back to how many years he have taken this money, you can imagine how much it is. And the worst part of it is that when he wrote his resignation letter, he was still receiving his salary. Yes, ask him, he will tell you. He was still receiving his salary when he wrote his resignation letter. His salary was still coming to him. Because, you see, why I know that some of them are very, very stupid, myopic, is because the man that is leading us in this struggle, which is Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, is not taking anything from you. He's not under any payment. Of what kind? Instead, he have paid with the blood of his parents. Instead, he have paid with the blood of his own sister. Instead, he have paid with his own blood as well. Yes, that is how much it is. Liliana, that is how much it is. Test it by 1 year. Then you will see how much it is that Uche is receiving. But some of us are on the ground, we are hungry. Some of us are on the ground, we are hungry. And Uche came out to tarnish the image of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, writing junk. I'm still coming this evening by 5 o'clock, and I want you to tune in. I don't want this program to be too long. I will round up in a minute now, and I'll bring this program down. Then you will recharge your phone. I want your calls, all of you. I want your calls. I want you to call in, because before I'll start the program, I will tell you before, if what I say, if what I'm going to say is lie, let him take me to any ROC. Don't worry. Oga no carry one day on before you have drawn the battle line. So it is better for you now to close your Facebook account and shut up your mouth. Go and sit down and begin to enjoy all the money you have made from IPOB. 8 years actively in the struggle. Let me say that out of that 8 years, that you earn this salary for 5 years. Can somebody put up 540,000? Let's say 500,000 times 12 times 5. 500,000 times 12 is 24 million. 24 million. Just give it like 5 years. Let us see how much Uche have made in 5 years. Out of 8 years that he has been active. Let's just make it 5 years. I want it sharp on this wall. Let it be on the record. It is my Facebook wall. It's not your own. So I want it there. Please do it for me right now. 24 million a year times 5 years. Don't forget he's been active for 8 years. 8 good years. Let me remove 3 years and let us calculate these 5 years. Let's say 5 years that you have received this salary, how much it is. Before all of you that are talking rubbish, typing nonsense here, before thunder will begin to fire all of you, I want you to do the calculation, please. Anayala Woke, please. Liliana Okere, do the calculation and tell me how much it is. 500k every month times 1 year times 5 years. 5 years of sleeping on Radio Biafra. And you configure it and you give back the password and you will be removed. For configuring Radio Biafra, you have been paid 500,000. You are a madman. Chineke Ogbuefi always fast. 120 million. Biafra, have you seen it? Biafrans, have you seen it? Let's assume that out of the 8 years which before have been the deputy of Indigenous People of Biafra, then he was paid. He received his salary for 5 years. This is the amount. 120 million. That is the amount which before have made. BBC, you people will not see this truth and carry it about Uche before. What you will see is that Uche before say Nnamdi Kanu say. Once it has to do with Nnamdi Kanu, you will not say anything. Share this video and make it go viral. And on this note, I want to thank all of you. Most of you that are attacking me, Kamana Ozuzu will attack you. Olas will attack you. Ogugumiri will attack you. Ogugwapu will attack you. Ndemwon and Ndege will attack you. All the people that have died in this struggle will attack all of you. Because Uche Mefo is an ungrateful idiot. Ungrateful idiot. Using the power, the authority of command and control to remove a lot of people in the struggle. Now, you are being given, should I say, suspension not to speak on Radio Biafra. Now you are trying to tell the world that the command and control cannot hold any ground. 120 million. Thank you, Brachime Zemazi. That is the amount that Uche before made in 5 years. I don't know if they. I will still get the fact correct. If he was actually paid more than 5 years, I will still get the fact. But I just removed 3 years. I just removed 3 years out of the 8 years. Now this is the amount that Uche before have have taken from IPOB. And Uche Mefo came out crying, telling the world that this, I was sidelined. Uche Mefo, you are a contractor. Just like Brachi Mezie. Mazi Brachi Mezie is a contractor. He's a building contractor. You pay him, he build house for you. So I now understand why you are taking this money, because you are a contractor. You came, you made name, you now build, you made name and you made your own contact, and now you build another house. Now you want to destroy the house that you build, that you were paid for, to set up your own and continue with whatever you are doing. My analogy is quite different from other people's analogy. That is why I'm different, because I see the whole Nasa they bring them. Check the calculation. £4,000 every year, every month, amount to 500 and something thousand. But I made it 5,000 to be equal. Then 5,000 to be a round number. 5,000 times 1 year give us 24 million. 24 million times 5 years, only 5 years, is giving us how much? 120 million naira. That is what Uche Mefo have taken from the struggle. At the same time, he got international diplomatic passport, United Nations passport. At the same time, IPOB trained him as a lawyer. And all this while, have you people ask yourself, who is Mazi Uche Mefo's wife? Have you ever seen his wife picture or his Facebook wall? Hello, Uche Mefo's followers. Have you seen his wife picture? Have you seen the wife with Biafra Regalia? Have you seen the wife come out to protest? If anyone has Mazi Uche Mefo's wife picture protesting alone, please send it to me. Then I will apologize for bringing her into this program. For that particular one only, I will apologize for it. 120 million. That is only in 5 years. And you have the nerves to tell me not to talk about Uche Mefo. We should not talk about Uche Mefo. We should leave him. We should make peace. Peace with who? Peace with devil. Uche Mefo is a devil. Uche Mefo is a devil, very wicked soul. Uche Mefo is a man who will write on Facebook more than 20 times. He will not respond to you. He will not. Because he believes that you are working and acknowledging Mazi Nnamdi Kanu as the leader of indigenous people of Biafra. He is always in pain. He is always in pain. The way we praise him. And the shocking part of it is that even while he was talking that rubbish, he was still saying, Nnamdi Kanu, our leader. He was saying, this guy is very cunning, but I know his tricks. And I will deflate that your tires. You are going to run on ordinary rim today. After today, I will deflate your tires. I will bring that your tires down. That air that is moving that your tire, I will bring it out. I will leak it today. Just only one at it. You will still say, Uche Mefo, Nnamdi Kanu is my leader. The indigenous people of Biafra, he is the supreme leader. He is this, that. And people will clap and say, oh, he's with us. He's a good person. He's a good person. He's a good person. We should clap for him. He's a good person. Now you people have seen it. I want Uche Mefo's wife picture protesting as a Biafra somewhere. I want Uche Mefo's wife picture post on Facebook with Biafra Regalia on protest or in any gathering that Uche Mefo have attended. He kept his wife sacred. He kept his family sacred. Kept his children sacred. Kept everything he's doing. Everything, he kept them by the side. Then he was busy making money from IPOB, talking rubbish. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, all of you knows his picture, knows who she is. She was there in Uganda, she was there in America, she was there in London, she was everywhere protesting with the husband. That is when I know that indeed great men are great because they have great women behind them. But Uche Mefo, you have seen yourself. For you to open your mouth and say that you're going to scatter this struggle if you have been provoked. Now, to scatter the struggle, let me see. If you're waiting for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to respond to you, you will have to wait forever. You have to wait forever. Wait forever, and all your followers wait forever. Because I don't see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu coming to talk about you because you're irrelevant. And that house that you build, that you want to scatter this one that you are living, that made you who you are, through this house that you want to scatter now, you have made no less than 120 million, apart from other benefits. Now you are coming to spoil it. That one that you want to build, who is going to be there? Anybody that is going to broadcast with you that your human rights, Biafra TV, Biafra radio, or whatever, is an enemy to Biafra, because what I'm saying now is truth and nothing but the truth. People have died. People are going to prison. People are being lost. People are being massacred. The blood of innocent Biafrans is split everywhere on the ground. And which you are busy making money, sitting inside your AC, snoring and talking rubbish, and nobody challenge you. Nobody say anything bad against you. Now, because of your evil and you are being suspended not to speak on Radio Biafra, you come out with your dirty mouth to begin to talk rubbish against Nnamdi Kanu. One day, you have touched the tail of the tiger, but you don't know. But I believe by now you are getting the heat small. By now I know you are getting the heat small. You are beginning to know the damage that you have caused for yourself. Because people like me will not spare you, not even a second. Like Mua will not spare you, not even a second, because I put my life. I put my life in this struggle. I put my life in this struggle. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu respond to you, thank you, Bright Chimeze. If Mazi Nnamdi Kanu respond to you, then I will come here battalion. You are inconsequential. You are going to see how you are going to fade into an 18A. You are going to fade into 18A. You are going to go into oblivion. Highest, is it going to be 1 month? Highest 2 weeks. From now to 2 weeks, highest 3 weeks, you fade here. In a akụkọ akọsị akụkọ gị mana m ga-apegide gị ụyaka as long as I'm saying m ga-apegide gị ụyaka until you kweta na mmiri ọkụ na-egbu mbe. M ga na-apịa gị ụyaka. And everything I'm saying about you as the hot is truth. Truth. I will not lie against you. But if you feel I'm lying against you or putting any allegation against you, sue me. If you sue me to any court, you can appear there, I go. If I cannot, then I will sue you in my own court. Whereby, whether you come or not, the people in Abatete will get the message from my own court. My own court is in our tradition. Which therefore, this evening, when I'm done with you, if you don't sue me, I will sue you to come and defend yourself. Yes, I'm saying it with authority. Like I said before I started talking about you, the only person that can tell me, President, enough, my son, I will listen, is only Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Biafrans, apart from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, nobody go fit stop me. Nobody. My papa no will fit tell me, say, you don't do my son, I go agree. My mama no will fit, I go agree. Because Eti Egomondom, I came out because of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and he is the only one who can stop me. Who can say, okay, my son, it's enough. People have died. People have given their life. People have risked their life. Look at what is happening in Obibo. At this point, this critical time, which before you brought out your dirty linens and keep washing it outside, trying to divert our attention from our people that are being killed in Obibo. But yet, my attention cannot be diverted. It cannot be diverted. I am focused. Very, very focused. And I urge all you Biafran to be focused. Those of you that are still talking about what is happening in Obibo should keep on talking about it. Which before you go Gafia, you have built market from my office, from my shop. If you go Gafia shop, all of them keep it Gafia. I will supply you all the goods that you have bought from my warehouse. I will supply it to you. You are going to get it. Yes. You will get it. Share this program. Share it. Share, scatter it. I know he's watching live now. Which I know you are watching. I know. You will be saying, what is giving this guy this kind of morale to talk about me like this? Then what gives you morale to talk against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu the way you did? That is the question you should answer. Before you say, why is this guy talking like this? You should ask yourself, why did you talk the way you did against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Calling him names. Calling him names. On this note, dear friends, I want to close this program for now until 5 o'clock Biafra time. Let me go and prepare and wait At the 5 o'clock Biafra time, I'll come back to you. Thank you so much, and God bless you for watching and sharing. God bless you. Thank you, and God bless you. Come back in the evening by 5 o'clock. Like my page, as in the Hot Biafra TV on YouTube. Subscribe and like the page. We are going to do a lot this evening. By the time you hear Mazi Ucheme falls evil in this struggle, only one I want to talk for you. Thank you, and bye.